Welcome to Campus, the pulse of JNC. This is Anushka, your anchor for the evening. The mood is all set for Diwali celebrations, but the pandemic has completely changed the situation. Taking all necessary precautions this time, a stay home, stay safe digital Diwali will be celebrated. So, let's get started with the headlines for the day. Productivity versus pandemic, a new tangent that arose due to online classes. The colleges in Karnataka in debate whether to open campus or not. The new normal, masks, sanitizers, and family time. The burnt out crowd gets an opportunity to rewire themselves. A deviation in lifestyle seen among Bengaluru population in order to accommodate the new normal. Focus now shifts from bursting crackers to digital Diwali. Alongside the changes seen in Karnataka, the age-old traditions are not forgotten. Karnataka Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa on 6 November announced a ban on sale and busting of firecrackers this Diwali. However, on 13 November, the ban was lifted and a regulated system for green crackers was introduced. Keeping these changes in mind, let's see what the people of Bangalore have to say about this. Our reporter Reema has done a chit chat with the residents of BTM layout for
Wishing everyone a very happy Diwali. This is Reema reporting for Campus JNC. I'm on BTM layout with Miss Kanmani. Hello Kanmani. Hello. So Kanmani, how does your Diwali celebration this year differs from the previous year?
I think there is a great difference because last year we celebrated with our relatives and neighbors. But this year we won't able to celebrate like the same zeal and enthusiasm like before.
Okay. Kanmani, Karnataka government has initially banned crackers, but later they lifted the ban. Instead announced a regulated system for green crackers this Diwali. What is your opinion on this?
It's a good decision because we can't able to celebrate Diwali without crackers. At the same time, these green crackers are not harmful. So it's a good decision.
Thank you, Kanmani. Thank you. This is reporter Reema with
Thank
video
you, Rima,
journalist.
for showing us how Bangalore is celebrating Diwali this year.
Diwali across Bangalore was celebrated in a quiet manner as compared to the other years, keeping in mind the regulations put in place by the Chief Minister of Karnataka, B.S. Yedurappa, to cater to the health of those adversely affected during COVID-19 pandemic and the deteriorating environmental situation.
Moving on to our next segment, Gauri Puja festivities continue amidst the pandemic. To give us an insight for the same, we have reporter Meghna showing us a walkthrough to highlight how the tradition has been affected due to COVID.
Hello, this is Meghna from Campus TV JNC. Today we are covering Deepavali festival, the tradition carried out from people of Karnataka from decades. They perform puja to goddesses Gauri, and also they do Kedarnath Swami Rath. As per the Kedarnath Swami Rath, they offer bagina to goddess Gauri. So this bagina consists of banana, betel leaves, betel nuts, turmeric powder, kumkum, and sacred nuts. And this is special sweet called kajaya. They do only during this festival, and there is a belief that they should not lose this sacred nuts at any cost. Thank you. This is Meghna.
Thank you, Meghna, for that profound walkthrough and for showing us the traditional customs and rituals that are being followed in the celebration of Diwali in Karnataka. We also need to account for the adversely affected economic status of the country.
The economic impact of the 2020 coronavirus pandemic in India has been largely disruptive. India's growth in the fourth quarter of the fiscal year 2020 went down by 3.1%, according to the Ministry of Statistics. The chief economic advisor to the Government of India said that this drop is mainly due to the coronavirus pandemic effect on the Indian economy. Small businesses and roadside vendors were adversely affected by the pandemic, with no customers to serve who would pay them so they could buy a day's meal. With the Diwali around corner, it was like a new hope for these vendors and small businesses. But with the fear and rising cases, people opted for an online medium for shopping and getting Diwali essentials, which again meant no business for these vendors and the small entrepreneurs.
To elaborate on the same, we have distinguished guests from varied cultural backgrounds to shed light on online shopping during COVID Diwali and its impact.
Am I audible, ladies?
Yes, you are.
Okay, good evening, ladies. Ellarkum vanakkam. As we all know, Diwali is widely celebrated festival in India. And unfortunately, this Diwali, everyone is restricted to their houses. And we are only able to organize small prayer functions at home for the family. However, this pandemic has led to a significant increase in online shopping. Today, we have Mrs. Kulkarni.
सगळ्यांना नमस्कार. मी मिसेस कुलकर्णी.
Mrs. Datta,
Namaskar, I'm Mrs. Datta.
Mrs. Gowda,
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಾನು ಮಿಸಸ್ ಗೌಡ.
and finally Mrs. Nair.
ഏവർക്കും സുഖം. ഞാൻ മിസ് നായർ.
Okay, we have a panel discussion on online shopping in Diwali during COVID. Let's start our conversation with these beautiful ladies.
Yes. So everyone prefers online shopping these days. So, however, we must understand that there is a major setback for all the street local vendors out there. So they usually earn profit during this festival time of this year. But unfortunately, all because of the online shopping and because of the pandemic, they are not able to earn their profit like usual. So they are facing the huge loss because of this year.
ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಶಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೇಫರ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್. ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಮೀನ್, ನನಗೇನು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ, ವೈ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ದ ರಿಸ್ಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಔಟ್ ಬೈಂಗ್ ದ ಗುಡ್ಸ್, ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಲೋಕಲ್ ವೆಂಡರ್ಸ್, ರೈಟ್? ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕು? ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ಯಾನಿಟೈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ದೇ ಶುಡ್ ಡೂ ಯು ಥಿಂಕ್ ವಿಲ್ ದೇ ಸ್ಯಾನಿಟೈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಪ್ರಿಕಾಷನ್ಸ್? ನನಗನ್ಸಲ್ಲ.
മിസ്സസ് ഗൗഡ, നിങ്ങൾ ഒരു കാര്യം മനസ്സിലാക്കിയേ പറ്റുള്ളൂ. This is, see, you have to understand how will they earn for the living and how will they feed their families.
I understand. All I'm saying is that people prefer to go more convenient, safer option alwa. If they're getting the luxury of online shopping from their homes, why will they take risk for option? Why should they go out? ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು? ಮನೇಲಿ ಇರ್ಬೋದಲ್ವಾ? They can do online shopping, right?
Miss Gowda, I really like the term luxury that you have used here. आता हे बघा, online shopping is actually a luxury for us educated and literate people. These poor people, because of illiteracy, poverty and inability to keep up with this latest technology, त्यांच्याकडे काही पण नाही आहे. देवाच्या कृपाने आमच्याकडे इतका ऍक्सेस तरी आहे बरं का. त्यांच्यासाठी it is just like a normal day for them. It's so sad.
Miss Kulkarni, let me stop you there. I agree with you when you say that coronavirus has ruined Diwali for the poor people. But why are you excluding the rich here? Suppose I am from upper middle class family and I have the money, right? I've done my Diwali shopping online. But for what? I usually conduct my Lokhi Pujo, that is Lakshmi Puja as you say. But this time, although I can afford to conduct the pujo, where are the people? I am not able to invite all my neighbors and friends to my house. Whom should I share the joy, happiness and blessings with? I have brought new clothes for Diwali, look. But where should I wear it and go? Ki laab bolo to?
Aho, Aika. Miss Datta, I completely agree with you that coronavirus has ruined Diwali for all of us. But these poor people, it's so much more worse for them. आमच्याकडे we have access. There is lifestyle, Flipkart, Amazon and kitty options. There are sales also for you. What more do you want?
It is a scam, I tell you. A scam, a fraud. These online shopping platforms are fooling us customers. They have increased the price of the items and then decreased it. God has gifted all of us with a brain, Mrs. Kulkarni. Please use it so that it does not become stagnant.
अहो ऐका, मी आतापर्यंत शांतपैकी तुमचं ऐकत होते. You cannot come at me like this and
No,
tell
if you don't use your brain, obviously I'm going to tell. No, why are you talking like stupid people? You have to talk smart, right? On national television.
Who is
You
talking
talk
stupid? You are
about-
right. Who is talking
about platforms like this.
Hey, please
What is
stop,
this?
stop.
No, what is
Yeah, who is talking stupid? Wait, Mrs. Datta, Miss Kulkarni.
Like this. You're using
Ladies, okay, calm down.
Looks like our fruitful discussion has unexpectedly escalated into a heated argument. But that's it for now. Wishing you all a very happy Diwali. This is your anchor Anushka signing off. For more updates, keep watching Campus, the pulse of JNC.